is actually, it doesn't have a parachute in the back here, but otherwise it's what you would see in some airplanes. In some of the jets I flew, typically this is called the seat pan. And within this seat pan, there's a life raft, there's a small oxygen bottle in case you eject over 10,000 feet, and then some survival equipment. So that seat pan, excuse me, pretty important. The rest of it is obviously the parachute harness. You got these that come up between your legs, and then you got the chest strap right here. And then you got the D-ring, which is what you pull to release the parachute. Again, this doesn't have a parachute in it, but don't pull the D-ring. We might never get it back in there.
Oh,
Yeah,
how heavy is this?
You know, that's probably about 10 pounds.
And when it has
If
everything,
it's got everything in it,
Shoot
it's probably up to 30, 40 pounds, yeah.
not for a lightweight.
Yeah. Now, the Navy planes that I flew, the seat pan was attached to the seat, and you put the parachute on separate. The Air Force seats, it was all integrated into one piece like this is.
So it's safe to say that this is an Air Force.
This would be more equivalent to Air Force, yes. Yeah.
So what's the advantage of putting it all in one rather than?
It's just the different seats. The Navy jets I flew they all had English Martin Baker ejection seats, and the Air Force planes typically had American-made Escape Pack, and there's some other ones, but just the difference in the ejection seat.
Yeah. See, in the Air Force, they have what they call the Aces 2 seats, which had 0-0 capability. That's why they put them in. There's two standards, Martin Baker, the English, and the Air Force Aces 2, which have 0-0 capability. In other words, you could eject throughout the aircraft and still on the runway.
Yeah, the Martin Baker was 002 at the time I flew it. And then actually there's a Martin Baker ejection seat over in that other room over there.
Oh, okay. I know they went even F-35 now uses Martin Baker.
Yeah. Oh, do they? I didn't know that.
Yeah, they don't use the Aces too. Matter of fact, they let the English design the whole cockpit. So that's okay.
Does the pilot put this on the ground and then get in the plane, or is it in the plane like the
Again,
other
the
one?
way this is set up, you could do it either way. Again,
Okay.
the Air Force, it was fixed in the plane, or the Navy, it was fixed in the plane. The Air Force, it was not. And you can see, if you look at old videos, you can see them,
Yeah.
that seat pan slapping in the butt there.
I thought I remembered that.